Welcome to another Doodle Duel. I'm Miss V.
And I'm Miss C. In today's challenge, we will be doing an OC challenge. An OC, or original character, is a character you create from your own imagination. You can give them a name and traits.
To come up with our own OC, we created a trait list selector to help you create an original design.
For hair color, we base it on your birthday season. So for spring, the hair color can either be green, pink, or black. For summer, it's blonde, yellow, red, or cyan. For fall, orange, brown, or purple. And for winter, blue, white, and gray. The eye color is also determined by the last number of your age. For example, if you're 12, 2 is the last number you use. So 1 is brown, 2 is red, 3 is orange, 4 is yellow, 5 is green, 6 is blue, 7 is violet, 8 is gray, 9 is black, and 0 is your choice. For skin color, you can't do the same as your own. If you are tall, do short hair. If you are short, you do long hair. If your birthday ends in an odd number, you make your character a boy. If your birthday ends in an even number, you make the character a girl.
For my character, the challenge says I use blonde, yellow, red, or cyan hair, violet eyes, anything but tan or medium skin tone because that's what I have, a mid-length hairstyle, and is a boy.
For my character, the character traits I use is blonde/yellow, red, or cyan hair, orange eyes, anything but light medium skin tone, and a long hairstyle, and is a girl.
While this is a challenge, feel free to mix it up and modify if you feel something fits the character better, but try to step out of your comfort zone. We tend to draw things that look like ourselves, so this challenge helps to get out of that pattern. As I sketch out my character, I think about the style that I want them to have. I feel like people tend to not give guys interesting outfits when they first draw them, but I challenge you to look at current fashion trends and see that guys can be fashionable too. I give him a half-up hairdo with a bun and play around with his clothes. I decided to change the scarf for a layered jacket. I also want to emphasize the shoes because men's shoes really can put a whole outfit together to create a certain vibe.
For my character, I wanted to make her physique different from what I regularly draw. I decided to make her have toned muscles but still have the ability to be girly. I gave her buns to add to her sporty and cute look. She doesn't find heels to be very comfortable, so her go-to fashion is always boots. I also have her wearing a tank top dress, so she is free to move around and her outfit will not restrict her movements.
For the colors, I start using the ones I had from the challenge. You have the freedom to choose clothing color, but I try to make it work with predetermined colors. I realized that the cyan hair is cool, but blonde works better for this overall look. I changed the other colors to look nice. A great way to check if something is cohesive is to change the color mode to grayscale, and if the colors look good in grayscale and in color, it will work.
For my color palette, I chose to make her hair color red and her skin tone green. I really wanted to be experimental with the colors, but kept her outfit colors matching the personality I had in mind for her. She is basically a buff airhead who thinks quite highly of herself. Since her green skin tone is light, I had her outfit color counter her skin to help her stand out more with darker reddish/purple colors. She is a very bubbly character, and her bright red hair and pinkish red skirt demonstrates that.
Lastly, I create a color palette reference on my sheet by selecting each color and creating a swatch for each one. I also name my character and give them some likes and dislikes. His name is Chase Jones, and he likes frozen desserts, boba, and music, but dislikes radishes, prunes, and clowns.
My character's name is Scarlet May, and she loves exploring and going outdoors. She likes to playfully tease people who she thinks can't beat her in an arm wrestle, but when she loses, she will never admit it. Her favorite foods are fast foods like burgers and fries, and she loves to play all kinds of sports. She hates to lose, and people who give up too easily or don't take her seriously. She also dislikes high heels, sour fruits or candy, and seafood. And we're done!
Miss C, I really love what you've done with the character. I love that she's feminine, strong, and edgy.
Miss V, Chase looks cool. He seems like a chill guy. I can definitely see Chase and Scarlet being unexpected great friends that people always wonder how that came to be.
Which one do you guys think should win this challenge?
Let us know.
You can also show us your awesome OCs by having your parents submit your art to us at media@teenprimetime.org. Please include the project title, first name, grade, and school. The selected artwork will be highlighted on Teen Primetime's website and YouTube channel. It was so fun creating characters with you guys. Tune into our next video soon.
See ya! Oh, and before we forget,
Keep doodling!